AI engineers are no longer just model creators, they now integrate and optimize pre-trained models. This shift demands a deep understanding of essential Python libraries, which streamline AI model development and operations, making them indispensable in today's tech landscape. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Mastering Python libraries like Pedantic and FastAPI is crucial for AI engineers. These tools ensure data validation and high-performance API development, enabling seamless integration and efficient management of AI models within complex applications. Pedantic ensures data validation and type safety, while FastAPI excels in high-performance API development. Celery manages asynchronous tasks, and Sclalchemy with Alembic handles database interactions and migrations, forming a robust foundation for AI applications. These libraries not only streamline development, but also enhance the scalability and efficiency of AI systems. By leveraging these tools, AI engineers can focus on innovation, knowing their infrastructure is solid and reliable. LLM model providers simplify AI model integration, while vector databases optimize search and recommendation systems. Observability tools monitor AI workflows in real time, ensuring models are scalable and production-ready. DSPy enhances LLM orchestration and decision-making, providing AI engineers with a powerful framework for developing advanced AI-driven applications. These tools collectively elevate the capabilities of AI workflows. Combining libraries like FastAPI, Sclalchemy, and Celery creates robust AI APIs. Implementing LLM frameworks and vector databases enhances AI-powered search, while Pedantic, Pandas, and DSPy refine AI pipelines. Stay updated with the latest AI insights and tutorials. By mastering these tools, you'll build scalable, efficient AI applications that are ready for the future. Let's continue exploring and innovating together.